Hey, this is going to be the second period of our West All-Stars. It's the East All-Stars. You already know the rules from the last video. Yeah. Here we go. Hockey. Oh, and the West is leading the East is leading 3-2. That's this team. 1, 2, 3. Looks like he's going to have it. The East All-Stars are going to have it. West are making some formations. They're going all out attacking. These guys are going all out. Okay, here we go. He won the face-off. He hits it, and it went to him. So, here we go. And it, off there, they've got the puck. They've got it. Great. This is all saved by the goalie. Hit off him, so he's going to hit the puck, and it's going down ice. And that's going to be closest. It's going to come out to the West, to the East All-Stars. He's going to pass it. Oh, and it's shot wide. And it's going to be goalie's puck. It's going to be cleared. It's going to be East All-Stars. He's going to turn it over. He's going to get it. Goal for the East All-Stars. They lead it 5-3.
Oh yeah, the Ford,
Here we go.
Harley Davidson badges it has on it. Yeah, see? The Ford. Yeah, they charge like $10,000 more for a fucking pickup truck that has orange paint on it, you know, and Harley Davidson things. Yeah, see? 2003, yeah. Yeah, that adds value to it, that fucking name. It's really nothing, you know.
Here we go.
Things inside, you know.
This is gonna be the face-off center.
Bunch of bullshit.
1, 2, 3. And to the East, some substitutions. And people just don't care what's going on. They interfere with the hockey game. Oh, that's goalie interference. This guy is going to be put in the penalty box. He will be in there for 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. They're going to work the puck. They're lined up in their formation. Saved. What a save. It's going to be cleared. Really need to hit up some.
Hey, wouldn't it be cool if you mailed Jacob some sand from the Jersey Shore?
Yeah. Oh, it's hit off of this guy. He's going to get the shot. Oh, it's going to be intercepted. They are playing defense because they penalty box. It's going to be hit out, transferred, hit, pass, hit. He's going to take a shot. It's going to be a pass instead. He's going to take it. Oh, what a save. It's going over. And it's going to be hidden. It's going to be out of play. I'm just going to hit it in and see who gets it. Oh, brilliant. 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 Oh, if it doesn't hit the goal. Saved. It's going to come in. What a brilliant pass. Brilliant pass. Saved again.
again, the CMB.
Cleared down the ice. Takes a pass. It's gonna be shot. Saved by the goalie. Passed out. Deflected. Gonna be trying to get a shot off. And save. 5 seconds left. 4 in the penalty box. 3, 2, 1. He's gonna be brought out of the penalty box. Now he's gonna be sent down as a
He knows what it is. It's a similar problem they've had before.
Okay, it's gonna be passed.
Exactly what's going
Failed
on.
attempt of a pass. Oh,
But
bad passing is showing.
the whole regulator
Oh, it's gonna be.
inside,
It's gonna have a chance at a rip.
inside
Oh, it's
works.
wide.
Yeah.
Goalie's gonna hit it. It's gonna go closest. Oh, intercepted.
Warranty shit.
Goal! Wah, wah, wah. For the West All Stars, that makes it 5-4. And goal scored by, he hit it right in there. The goalie could just not get to it. It's gonna be our second goal of this period.
A couple other fans, just make,
That's gonna show a statement.
Larry's back in, who knows? Get a coat, Rich. Get a coat on.
Why?
I'm going out for a little while.
Okay, let me see some. 1, 2, 3. Couple minutes.
Did they take the guy's pickup truck in the Harley Davidson?
Here we go. Gonna make some substitutions. They're gonna send 2 men down the ice too. Oh, he almost gets called for goalie interference again. 1, 2, 3. He gets it out. Intercepted. Hits it out. It's gonna be passed into the zone. Zone. This goalkeeper's gonna make a save. Diving save by the goalkeeper. No, it's an intercepted shot. Saved. Oh, what a beautiful pass by the goalkeeper. Showing amazing skills. Oh, what a beautiful pass down the ice. He might have a shot. Oh, it sails wide. Goalie is going to hit it down. Oh, intercepted. Oh, here we go. Here's the shot. Oh, not far enough. Oh, beautiful pass. Passing it down ice. That's going to be a good pass. It's going to go down. He's going to move. It's going to shoot. Oh, saved. Terrible. Goalie. Oh, yeah, it goes on. The goalie's going to get it on. He's going to hit it. It's going to be good. So it's going to be, oh, what a save. Great saves in this period. Going to hit it in. It's going to go to the West. The West is going to take, oh, sails wide. Take it out. Great pass. Take it out. Passed out. Scores! Wah, wah, wah. Goal for the East All-Stars. Off the boards in the net. Great goal. We got about a minute left. The East leads at 6-4. East All-Stars. This has been a great period of hockey. Face-off circle, making some substitutions. They're just going to stay back. Passes. Great pass. Great pass. He's going to have to get a shot. Oh! Deflected. Why? Deflected. He's going to scooch him. down, passing it. He's gonna check him out of the way. He's gonna shoot. He's gonna score. And that's gonna do it for this period. The East All-Stars 6, the West All-Stars 5. Tune into the third period next time on Stuffed Animal Hockey.